Hi! Today, let's learn how to talk about a popular Thai dish in English, Rad Na. We'll learn what it is, useful food vocabulary, and how to describe it in simple English. What is Rad Na? Rad Na is a famous Thai noodle dish. It has wide, flat noodles, Chinese broccoli, and meat, usually pork or chicken. The noodles are covered with a thick, savory gravy. People usually eat Rad Na with a spoon and fork. Some people like to add chili vinegar or fish sauce. Vocabulary: noodles, long and soft strips made from rice. Rad Na uses flat noodles. Gravy. Gravy is a thick brown liquid. It goes on top of the noodles in Rad Na. Savory. Savory means not sweet. A gravy is salty and rich. We call that savory. Chinese broccoli. A green vegetable. It has thick stems and dark green leaves. It's soft after cooking. Pork. Chicken. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I ate Rad Na. It's gravy noodles. It has wide, flat noodles, Chinese broccoli, and meat. Usually pork or chicken. The noodles are covered with a thick, savory gravy.